If you want to be healthy, then you should know basic knowledge about food safety, which is a very crucial topic and affects every single one of us. Imagine you're cooking at home or dining out and you are aware of food safety. You are not only protecting yourself, but also your loved ones. You avoid many illnesses, and you can be sure that you will eat high-quality food. Stick around because this video has got you covered. Number 1. Wash your hands. Everyone knows it, but not everyone does it. Before handling any food, it's crucial to wash your hands properly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds. This simple act helps remove dirt, bacteria, and other harmful pathogens that could affect your food in a negative way. Remember to wash your hands before and after handling raw meat, seafood, or eggs, as well as after using the restroom or touching surfaces that may have bacteria. Number 2. Clean surfaces and utensils. Before preparing any food, make sure your surfaces, cutting boards, knives, and other utensils are clean and washed. Use hot, soapy water to wash these items, and consider using separate cutting boards for raw meat. And as mentioned above, do not forget the kitchen surfaces. Number 3. Separate raw and cooked foods. When it comes to food safety, it's essential to keep raw and cooked foods separate to prevent cross-contamination. Hold raw meat, seafood, and eggs away from ready-to-eat foods like fruits, vegetables, and cooked dishes. Use separate containers and utensils, and never place cooked food on a plate that previously held raw ingredients without washing it first. Number 4. Cook food properly. Cooking food to the right temperature is crucial for killing harmful bacteria and ensuring its safety. Remember that different types of food require different cooking temperatures, so follow the guidelines for each one. Number 5. Keep food properly. It is logical that in addition to cooking, you also have to keep your food properly. Proper food storage is key to prevent food from going to waste. Refrigerate foods that can go stagnate fast, so you can slow down bacterial growth. Also make sure your refrigerator is set to the right temperature. Number 6. Be mindful of food allergies. Food allergies are a serious problem for many people, so it's essential to be mindful of allergens when preparing or serving food. Always read food labels carefully to identify potential allergens, and communicate openly with guests or family members about any dietary restrictions or allergies they may have. Number 7. Check expiration dates. Before consuming any food product, always check the expiration date to ensure its freshness and safety. Consuming expired or spoiled foods can lead to food poisoning and other health issues. When shopping for groceries, choose products with the longest shelf life whenever possible. And remember, when in doubt, throw it out. Number 8. Trust your instincts. When it comes to food safety, trust your instincts. If something looks, smells, or tastes off, it's better to discard it. Take action if you suspect that you or someone else has contaminated food. Number 9. Handle leftovers safely. Leftovers can be a good way to continue your previous delicious meal, but it's important to deal with them right away. Refrigerate leftovers straight away after eating. If leftovers have been sitting out at room temperature for more than 2 hours, it affects the quality of the food a lot. Number 10. Be cautious with buffets. When attending or hosting these events, be cautious about the foods you choose and how they're handled. Avoid dishes that have been sitting out at room temperature for an extended period, and make sure hot foods are kept hot and cold foods are kept cold. Number 11. Stay informed. Food safety guidelines and recommendations may change over time, so it's good to stay informed. Stay educated about common foodborne illnesses and how to prevent them, and if needed, seek advice from healthcare professionals. Number 12. Wash fruits and vegetables. Even if you're not cooking them, it's essential to wash fruits and vegetables before eating or using them in recipes. Clean vegetables and fruits under running water to remove dirt, bacteria, and pesticide residues. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine, and you will promote a culture of food safety in your home and community. Talking about fruits, there are many healthy fruits that lower your blood pressure naturally, and that's why I recommend watching this video.